You're driving me crazy, you're driving me crazy, you're driving me crazy.
Starting up at the top, guys, you know I love Bath & Body Works candles. This is their aromatherapy rose and vanilla one. 3-wick is the best. I like these so much better than Yankee Candle, and I always used to be a Yankee Candle fan. But starting at the top, like I said, I always like to have a candle up here, and then the top 2 drawers are my mascara. I use the Telescopic by L'Oreal, Maybelline Great Lash. I have my eyebrow pencil, 2 eyebrow gels, and eyeliner. And then over here, I have some concealers in the back, a green one and a yellow one. The yellow one I'll use under my eyes sometimes, and the green one will help color correct. So if I have like a breakout, a red spot, it'll cover that. Another concealer over here, MAC lipstick, and a couple of Kylie Jenner's lip glosses. That's in the first 2 drawers. In this drawer is where I keep some of my foundations. So these are the MAC foundations, the Pro Long Nourishing Waterproof foundations that I use. Isdin mineral brush so I can reapply sunscreen after I have makeup on. My beauty blender, Kat Von D's Lock-It powder, which I love to set my makeup, and then Alastin's Hide Your Tint. This is a really good moisturizer, sunscreen, but also has a tint in it, so that's in the second drawer. In this drawer is all of my brushes. So starting from the back, it's my powder brush, my blush brush, and my bronzer brush, as well as some other like eyeshadow, highlighter, things like that. I have a couple lip liners and eyeliners in here as well. And this one is actual blushes, bronzers. I have 2 bronzers that I use. This one's a little bit darker, that one's lighter. Some like an eyeshadow, another type of under eye concealer I throw in here, my highlighter. I love these drawers because they can actually come out, which is great. And then they just slide back in. This drawer are my primers, so I'll use this one right after I wash my face before makeup goes on. I'll spray this one after my makeup is on. This is another primer for your eyes. Another spray, my eyelash curler. So I keep that on here. This container, guys, I got from Amazon. It's an acrylic makeup container. And it's so funny because I don't really have much on my vanity and my sink, and I won't let my husband put anything on here, but for some reason my makeup's allowed on here. So you guys know how that goes. But I love this container from Amazon. It's super cute, and it keeps everything really organized, and you can see where everything is at all times. So what I use to clean my brushes is actually my face wash. This face wash is really nice by Alastin because you don't need a lot of the product in order to clean your face or your makeup brushes. So you just put a little bit onto the brush, and then I'll use these 2 mats that are in here from Amazon to brush the face wash into the brushes, and I'll kind of brush it into the mat to break up the product that's in the makeup brush and wash it away and leave it clean. So I try to do this at least once a week. It's important to clean your makeup brushes as frequently as you can, and by using a face wash, you're not worried about using something that's gonna make you break out. So I will show you guys how I wash the brushes.
And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. haunting melody. What do spirits say? What do spirits say in a darker day? What do spirits say? And their story stays with me like a haunting melody. What do spirits say? What do spirits say in a darker day? What do spirits say?